Tician mae amser ar y silff ben tân. Mewn capeli gwag a pheriannau ffôn. Amser digidol yn glinigol lan. Mae amser arall allan ar y lôn. Rhwng lampau bydron ar gorneli stryd. Ac anadliadau diog saxoffon. Amser a blethwyd i gylfachau myd, fel llythyr cari ym mwcyd i'r ser. Fel llythyr twrne ym mwcyd i'r byd.
It's the National Assembly building. College Lane.
True story. Said someone to me yesterday. Said he cheated in a taxi. Must have had him at my mercy. I drowned that poor thing. Put it out of its misery. Condemn it to its future. Deny its history. Deny its history. So where are we going? We're not ready for drowning. So where are we going? We're not ready for drowning. Look through my Venetian blinds, dusting up past off my mind, seeing orange everywhere. I go to Patagonia, but it's hot up there. I'll do anything to prove I care. fascinated by good, distraught by evil. What is there to believe in? So where are we going? We're not ready for drowning. So where are we going? We're not ready for drowning.
Roedd y wlad yn waedd i gyd, yn daeth y dŵr i hawlio'r stryd. Roedd pawb yn gwisgo dillad di, yn daeth y dŵr i hawlio'r tŷ.
So where are we going? We're not ready for drowning. So where are we going? We're not waving, we're drowning. Yng nghanol y dant y llew ac o gwmpas y glesni daw, y gwas yn neud yr aigar sydd wrth law. Y pwyntiodd at legyn da, llygyddi'n planhigyn bach, ac efo pe dair adyn i ddynnu law, y feillionen sydd yn draw. Wyt ti dal ar dir y byw, rhai fi ddeud dwi drwm yn lliw. Wyt ti dal ar dir y byw, wyt ti dal yn credu mewn Duw. Gofalus yn bys a baw, y codais fy lwcus fawr, ei ddal yn sôn uwch fy mhen i'r nen, ac y pŵer y ddeil am bryn, rhywun i ddalen wam bron, ac efo pe dair adyn i ddynnu law, y feillionen sydd yn draw. Wyt ti dal ar dir y byw, Ti'n dal yn credu mewn Duw. Millionen tir a lwci mi y ddeilan hyd. 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 Millionen tir a lwci mi.
Amserau gwantwm yn guriadau bler. Calonnau heb eu cydamseru'n dwt. Synchromation crynsian wrth newid ger. Ac yn yr amser hwnnw y mae pwto hanes unaid pawb, ac ambell gan neu alwad ffôn, a ffader fach ffwrbwt.
I'm alright, I got something in my system.
You're in tune to Man-Child. This track is courtesy of Sadat X from Brand Nubian. One time. Yeah, check it out, it goes like this.
Since I was young, I had these bad women, all shades.
All shades.
Versatile and sexual. Loose talk, I let them walk through.
Yo.
I never cried over chicks, reminisce, new flicks. Hit it again in a year or two. It's like the ass is all new. My whole crew got the red badge of courage. Black ones, the shiny ones, get spotted. In southern cities, see these girls shaking things and titties. Bring $100 back. You live alone, but you don't pick up the phone when I call your man's credit on. And if he touch me, well, I wish he would. Cause it probably did broke up, looking for a lawsuit and all that. Now I can't get a call back. And see you in the courts for beating that ass sports. I got something in my system.
Hey yo, like this.
I got something in my system.
Something in my system.
It's the blood rises in the daytime, Heineken after
After
9.
nine.
Each record after
Check
record, then
it.
round
Round
after
after
round.
round.
Chick with the freak nigga came back like a slime, trying to dead me out in my youthful prime. This old time on my block, and there for 97 years. He seen them born in they prime, and at the end of their careers, he say life come in spurts, and remember love hurts. Keep $1 in your pocket, and the flame
With your name on it.
Money don't flaunt it, live well and have a good life. Sell up real estate, cool out, and find a big wife. I drove mostly love, but then there's hate. I tell a nigga wait, he wanna grab off the plate. Upstate at the motel, ate the cake. You debate, it's late. It was your prom queen day. Should I hit God chill? She might have a trait. Yeah, you're right, Lord. Yo, I think I better
Let's
escape.
Hey yo, I got something in my system. What?
I got something in my system. A little money's coming enough to pay some bills.
I got some smoke and a layup spot. What's up?
And I don't need no stress.
No stress.
I lived another day,
So I say God bless.
I got something in my system. I got something in my system. A little money's coming enough to pay some bills.
I got some smoke, a movie and a layup spot. Yo,
And I don't need
no stress.
I lived another day,
So I say God bless. 1, 2, check it out, 1, 2. This be the Man-Child flavor. Run, tell it to your neighbor, friend or foe, enemy or your mother, your dough. Re mi fo sal latino. Hey.
16 bars or more, maybe a little more. Enough to smoke and send shorty to the store. When I was young, I just stole food and played the block. Half my people dead, the other half is wearing red. Some scattered out in the various hilarious. Laughter from the back. It's that a gambling man, rambling and hear more. He might be a knock, or Vegas loan shark with the in-house status at the MGM Grand. We betting on who's sitting at the grandstand. With this Arab cat, no, he from Pakistan. And take a great man to lead a whole
was young and gay, and thunderstorms filled up the day. The cattle roamed outside the town, sleeping in the midday sun, sleeping in the midday sun, sleeping in the midday sun, sleeping in the midday sun. Then tracks were laid across the plain by broken old men in torrid rain. The towns grew up and the people were still sleeping in the midday sun, sleeping in the midday sun, sleeping in the midday sun, sleeping in the midday sun. We'll all join in, we'll all join hands, we'll all join in, help run this land. And soldiers came long, long ago, rode through the town and rode down those, sleeping in the midday sun, sleeping in the midday sun, sleeping in the midday sun, sleeping in the midday sun. Gold came and went, quickly spent, and the people broke down and often drowned from the wealth and the pain of old Abilene, sleeping in the midday sun, 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 oh, sleeping in the midday sun.
Then they take him by the hand and they lead him from his land. Banker is the man who gets it all. Miner is the man, miner is the man, works all his life underground. When you'd done all you could do, still they closed the mines on you. Miner is a man who moves our soul. Weaver is the man, weaver is the man, working the loom until dawn. But the children in the east working just so they can eat. Weaver was a man who warned us. Walk on the water, walk on the water, people. Stand on the mountain, stand on the mountain, people. Walk on the water, walk on the water, people. Stand on the mountain, stand on the mountain, people. Death you'd have in me, demon geier form at the gränsley. Stand up for the farmer. Farmer is the man, farmer is the man, works all his life on the land. Then they take him by the arm and they lead him from his farm. Farmer is a man who feeds us soul, feeds us soul.
Estyn dy law I deimlo'r bore'n boenus fagos fel atgof blas. Mae'n disgwyl am wrth y twymo araf sy'n troi y tarmac yn hir gras. Estyn y llall yn gymaru ddi, lle nad oes gweddi ond awyr wag. Yn loyw I gyd a'r hael ar godi, drwy sŵn moduron ac oglau brag. Estyn y ddwyn gyfeillgar allan, i'r colomenod ac adar y tŵr. Ond cofia roi swst y da bach ffyrnig i'r nos sy'n madan, a'r byd dros dro.
On a
dweud mae'n mynd dan eich croen, ond sy'n disgwyl chi ddeall am be rwy'n sôn. Os da chi'n dod a lle dwi'n dod, dwi byth yn deall, dewed y gorlan, dyn ni'n cymryd pethau yn dwylo'n hunan. Gyda'r curiad, mae'n gletach na heiar, yn sefyll ar y tu allan sy'n gyfiawnder chwaith, ar y sgêl sy'n glorian. Dwi'n gol i dalu'r pwyth yn fian, achos mae'n meddwl ar dan pan dwi'n sefyll mewn torf, a dwi'n dal yn teimlo ar wahân. Allai'n dioddau'r twyll, teimlo fel dar mewn gêm o wyth bwyll. Allai'n dioddau'r twyll, dwi'n teimlo fel dar mewn gêm o wyth bwyll. Allai'n dioddau'r twyll, dwi'n teimlo fel dar mewn gêm o wyth bwyll. Allai'n dioddau'r twyll, dwi'n teimlo fel dar mewn gêm o wyth bwyll. Reality fi, mae'n wahanol i ti, a gormod o amser yn cicio'r sodle. Mae rhywbeth yn hogle, ma' na bywls yn sinjo fyny ar y carpet oren, i fyny stair, i di merch y mair. Dwi eisiau sbio ar y bobl, yn symud fel pryfed mewn y gallem, y strydoedd bach rhyfedd ddim wydydd, yn symud fel pryfed, neu ddiog y gwarthu, y llonydd, y studio, a pigo fo mlorod. Mam bach dim mwy o bwdyn, dwi'n sal, dwi'n chwysu, a dwi eisiau chwydu, a syllu am ore ar yr awyr a'r ser. Yn y cwmwl, mae men i'n fler, a llusgo nodiadau, y llyfr cyferiadau, o dabar ni dabar trio cofio a ffeithiau. Dwi'n gymro a creithio pan dwi lawr ar y degau, dwi'n copio ar wynebau. Allai'n dioddau'r twyll, dwi'n teimlo fel dar mewn gêm o wyth bwyll. Allai'n dioddau'r twyll, dwi'n teimlo fel dar mewn gêm o wyth bwyll. Allai'n dioddau'r twyll, dwi'n teimlo fel dar mewn gêm o wyth bwyll. Allai'n dioddau'r twyll, dwi'n teimlo fel dar mewn gêm o wyth bwyll. Dwi'n gweld lliwiau a patrymau o flaen fy mhen, wrth mi orfod ar nghefnus a llifri yn y nen. A weithiau dwi'n meddwl pan fy mod i'n ben wan. Man a man, pam, beth sy'n bod? A beth arall wyt ti moyn i fi fod? A pwy ddiawl wyt ti i ddweud wrtha i mod i ddim yn heiddi dim o'r clod? Allai'n dioddau'r twyll, teimlo fel dar mewn gêm o wyth bwyll. Allai'n dioddau'r twyll, dwi'n teimlo fel dar mewn gêm o wyth bwyll. Allai'n dioddau'r twyll, dwi'n teimlo fel dar mewn gêm o wyth bwyll. Allai'n dioddau'r twyll, dwi'n teimlo fel dar mewn gêm o wyth bwyll. Rwy'n fy ngwddwr man yn ceisio clymu'r raff dros fy nghogi na i byth chware'n saff. So nhw'n geisio fy nhw'n istro, rhaid nhw gyntaf geisio fy ffeindio. Dy byth yn cuddio, ar hyd ron i cefn dwi'n teithio. Pam dwi'n marw, dwi eisiau mynd i'r uffern, i gwrdd â aelodau urdd gobaith Cymru. Achos dwi'n gwybod pwynt i chi. Allai'n dioddau'r twyll. Allai'n dioddau'r twyll, dwi'n teimlo fel dar mewn gêm o wyth bwyll. Allai'n dioddau'r twyll, dwi'n teimlo fel dar mewn gêm o wyth bwyll. Allai'n dioddau'r twyll, dwi'n teimlo fel dar mewn gêm o wyth bwyll. Allai'n dioddau'r twyll, dwi'n teimlo fel dar mewn gêm o wyth bwyll. Wyth bwyll. Allai'n dioddau'r twyll, dwi'n teimlo fel dar mewn gêm o wyth bwyll. Allai'n dioddau'r twyll, dwi'n teimlo fel dar mewn gêm o wyth bwyll.
hush of things and dry your eyes. The tears sting. Talk is easy, words are cheap. So don't waste time shouting out. You know that it'll keep in the whispering room.
Chill out, let the silence have it.
In the whispering room.
Breathe out, let the silence have it.
In the whispering room. Easy does it, don't you know? The room is quiet, the breathing slow, and news is nothing. Change is wrong. We're only looking backwards, and we have been for so long. In the whispering,
Chill out, let the silence have it.
in the whispering room.
Breathe out, let the silence have it.
In the whispering room, speak softly and tread gently. This house is not a home. Some bricks and mortar and cold water and a telephone. So talk is easy, talk is cheap. So don't waste time shouting out. You know that it'll keep in the whispering,
Chill out, let the silence have it.
in the whispering,
Breathe out, let the silence have it.
in the whispering room. So speak softly in the whispering room and tread gently in the whispering room and dry your eyes in the whispering room. Breathe out in the silence, show it in the whispering room. Breathe out in the silence, know it in the whispering room. So speak softly, tread gently. Speak softly, tread gently. Dry your eyes, dry your eyes, dry your eyes.
Hon yw dinas y bethau coll. Ddaliwyd yn y bwlch rhwng pnawn dydd Sul a gweddill amser. Pethau y bu stamp y neidiau arnynt unwaith, nawr ar goll.
The tide has turned around and the chill settles in. Summer is almost gone. I run along the shore. I can't avoid it anymore.
gyfrwys pan yn chwarae fo tân, rhybydd sydd yn syrhau, ond yn anwyl pan siarad gwan, ac yn onest a hai. Glod a bydd yw dy angen di, sylwais i fod gen ti arferion drud, gwelais i'r ôl syllun hi, fod ti'n newid o bryd i bryd, yn synfyfyrio yn dy amser sban, gydia i yn dy draed, ond yn gadarn pan mae'r angen yna, ti'n yn dod yn rhaid. Ddisgwylia i y drwg, ddisgwylia i y da pan wyt ti yn fy ngwydd. Ddisgwylia i y drwg, ddisgwylia i y da pan wyt ti yn fy ngwydd. Glod a bydd yw dy angen di, sylwais i fod gen ti arferion drud, gwelais i'r ôl syllun hi, fod ti'n newid o bryd i bryd.
I think it was really staying in the hall. This was fantastic atmosphere. When someone like Brian Kelly goes, he's actually turned up college for 10 years. Am ddwy colwm sôn cariad la la
they were not at all out. It's very sad. Is your granddaughter?
Sally Road, Grangestown. 512 over.
512 receive. Please are en route. 512 over.
Yes, all received. 512 over.
Receive this, yeah.
One in a tenant. One.
Mewn cwteri o dan bontydd tri, y moderu'r parciau'n llechu'n saff o afael atgof ac arwyddocad. Ffotograffiau pasbort, menig chwyth. Poteli whisky hanner gwag o wlyth. Allweddi cartref arian man, a'r baws yn lliwchio pan ddaw'r gwynt yn nyddia'r cwn, yn bwrw arnynt, am yn ail ar glaw. Heb o'i claddu, heb o'i marwnadu'n iawn. Nid oes defodau cymwys i bethau coll. Dim ond bytheirio byr o dro i dro, cyn ymryddhau a'i gollwng nhw dros go.
Little Billy got together something silly, and Holy was out of lusty minutes. Another Cuban cigarette prices. Honestly, do we need to know if he really came inside the mouth? How will all this affect me now and later? You know that we belong in a presidential suite. I'm guides in the street, waving back at crowds of green. And when I look over my shoulder, I can see my past. The seats are far away. Found an icon that gave him a heart. Little Paris just can't help himself. He's getting out in the decadent 90s, past another vodka dealer. We can rise till the early hours of the morning catches us. Then we'll return to business if there's any of it left. You know that we belong in a presidential suite. sky. Sparkling like dragonfly, smelling all bad folk must die. And when I look over my shoulder, I can see my car. It seems so far away. It seems so far away. Far away.
Okay, yeah, we'll check that out. Okay, over.
Dyma Taffy Triog. Taffy Triog. Amadal i lifo. Dim dau ond tri. Taffy. Dim dau ond tri.